the most painful part of the job is the repetitive movement of the cleaners gets removed by Ella. At the same time, these cleaners can do much more. We feel good, the user feels good, the cleaner feels good because they get to use more.
The demand is getting higher because of this pandemic. I think now people are starting to see the importance of our job scope, where we stand now.
From here now, we definitely will make it a better future together with robotics.
With the new technology, probably in the future, robots will be more enhanced and more capable into more of the areas of cleaning.
Every cleaning company in Singapore can take the advantage of maybe using Sarah.
Okay, thank you.
To look up. Okay.
I'm happy having her.
No, Ella does it better.
LionsBot. Forward thinking cleaning.